Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school tie. To begin, let us identify the main parts of your tie, which are crucial for tying a proper knot. You have the wide or active blade, the narrow blade, and the neck loop that rests around your collar. We will focus on tying a basic but elegant four-in-hand knot, a suitable style for most school uniforms. This method creates a clean, symmetrical look, ensuring you appear smart and prepared for your day. First, make sure your shirt collar is standing straight up. This gives you ample space to work. Now, drape the tie around your neck, placing the wide blade on whichever side feels most comfortable for you, typically your dominant hand side. The narrow blade should initially hang around your belly button or slightly above your belt line to account for the knot's length. This initial placement is important for achieving the correct final tie length, helping you look polished and sharp. Now, let's begin forming the actual knot. Take the wide blade and cross it over the narrow blade, creating an X shape just below your neck. Then, bring the wide blade up from underneath and through the neck loop, pulling it out towards your face. Next, carefully pull the wide blade back down through the loop you have just created. This action forms the very first part of your four-in-hand knot, laying the essential groundwork. Now, for the final pass. Take the wide blade and wrap it horizontally across the front of the knot you have started, going from your dominant side to the other. Next, bring the wide blade up through the neck loop once more, coming from underneath. Finally, gently thread the wide blade straight down through the front loop you created with the horizontal wrap. This last step secures the knot, bringing it all together neatly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.